Look at that. Look at that color. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And it's everybody's favorite day of the month. It is my favorite 5 August polishes. Let me show them to you. So, for actually number 5 and number 4, I have these mini bottles. There was a time when you could get decants from Polish Pickup. There was a lady who would buy the big bottles and then split them down into smaller bottles for a lower price because we want a lot of polishes. And in order to do that, having a lower price point makes it possible. And for us serious polish collectors, we're never going to finish a bottle anyway. So this amount of polish is a totally acceptable amount of polish because, again, we might never finish a bottle anyway. So for number 5, I'm doing PI Colors Tabebula. Let me know if you know what this is. I do not know. But this one is a shimmer. It's a bit of a pinky base with this green shimmer. So let's see what it looks like on. So pretty, so shiny, so sparkly. A polish like this also works as a topper. You can put it on top of something else or even a black and get a whole different vibe. Very, very beautiful, very glowy. I love it. Of course, we're going to be doing 2 coats of all of this, so after I get the first coat on all of them, I'll put the second coat on, and then we'll get to see what it looks like with a little bit of opacity. But that's nice. So my number 4 is from Ahmya. It's called Talk Birdie to Me. This is the other one that's in the little decant. This one's a shimmer as well, but a bit of the opposite direction. So this one's green in base, but then the pinky reddy shimmer, and this one has little flakes in it, so that's fun. And then of course, you know, just like the other one and all of them, we'll end up with 2 coats, but we've got to start with 1, and look how beautiful that goes on. It's so shiny, and it really does have that glow. One of my favorite things about shimmers is they do look like they are lit from within, and that's very cool. Beautiful polish. Now, my third favorite is probably not a surprise to anyone. This is from Glisten and Glow, but it's a reflective. You guys know I am a sucker for a reflective. They're so beautiful. This one is called Vitamin C is for Me. Now, with reflective glitters, they tend to dry out quickly, get thick and chunky and gross. So you might have to add some nail polish thinner from time to time. This one is still liquidous enough that I don't need to do it, but I will have to eventually. But like, look, how beautiful is that? And that's only 1 coat. It is so dazzling, so sparkling, so diamond-like. You can't help but love a reflective. It is beautiful. Now my number 2 pick is one of my favorite polishes of all, and let me know if you actually recognize this one from other videos. I use it all the time. It is from Alchemy Lacquers. It's called Luminary, and it's a solar. So I'm gonna paint this on and then also show you what it looks like in its solar form. So when it is not UV activated, it is this nice light green. Very soft, very gentle, very cute. One thing that I find interesting about solar polishes is they tend to dry down with a bit of a matte effect, which is totally fine with me. I think that just gives it a little bit something extra that's interesting. But when you get a UV light going, especially like if you're outside in the summer and the sun is bright and intense and you've got this built into some nail art, look at that. Look at that color. That is stunning. It is so beautiful and so different. Such a contrast. Gives your nail a whole different vibe. You can really bring your nail art to life whenever you have a polish like this, or even more than one, because it gives such a dynamic appearance whether you're in the sunlight or not. And there's a whole middle shade, like as you see with it turning back, if it's not super UV, you might get this nice little medium tone. I just love solar polishes, and that's why this one's my number 2. Number 1 though. Oh my god. When did that get blurry? Number 1 though. Lurid Lacquer. You might recognize this one from other videos as well. This is also one of my favorite polishes of all. It is this green base, chock full of flakes and reflective glitters. The flakes though are pink. Pink and green make a great color combo. This one is called Best Friends Forever. So beautiful. This is also just the diamond effect. That's the thing about reflectives. They're so sparkly. They are way more sparkly than traditional regular shaped glitters, and I just love them so much. And then this one has the added layer of these flakes that give it an extra bit of dazzle, and then also it has the similar glowy effect like shimmers. It's just a multifaceted polish. It has so much. It's beautiful. I am obsessed with these. I actually have a collection of like 4 of them, but oh my god, if you don't have these polishes, you should check them out. So that's our first coat. I'm gonna dry these, do a second coat, top coat them in, and then we'll come back and have a look at them in their full glory. All right, 2 coats and top coat later. They're so shiny and beautiful. Let's flip her around and have a look. I have no idea when that camera got blurry before, but let's look at it. So this was number 5. So gorgeous. Here's number 4. Also beautiful and amazing. Number 3. Sparkly, and I am obsessed. Number 2, solar and awesome. And number 1, the most beautiful nail polish of them all. Let me know, how are you guys liking the new lighting setup? Let me scoot my hand to the side so I can just talk to you straight. I know the lighting here isn't very good, but I've got a panel coming in the mail I'm gonna put like behind here, so hopefully it'll give me some more face lighting. And I'm gonna try to situate it in a way that it doesn't create a lot of nail glare. But like with the lights where they are, do you think it's giving a more clear like hand area? Like, what's your opinion? How do you feel about the lighting situation now as opposed to before? Is it any better? When I look in the monitor, I feel like it is better, but I don't know. So let me know what you think. And then also, do you own any of these polishes? Do you recognize any of these polishes from other videos? And which one is your favorite?